Alright, Banks 101 back live YouTube. So today we got some bushings we need to repair on the steering link down here. And let's start off by getting this out the way. Move our air filter, cover, filter, and the case, housing. Alright y'all, so this is shift cable for the shifter. And I'm supposed to be like this, y'all. I'm supposed to be like that. So let's see. So I think one of these supposed to fit something down here. Let me open this pack up and see y'all. Alright y'all, we back. Just gonna go ahead and try to clean out a lot of this crap that's in this housing. Maybe this bushing the slide off in it. See all that stuff falling out of it though. Clean out all this stuff out the inside. Alright, let's try to see if this supposed to fit in here. Okay, y'all, we got it going in. Pushing going on, y'all. Let's just finish pushing it on up in here. Oh yeah, we in there, y'all. Another easy fix. Shifter linkage, y'all, on the outside. And just snap it back down. Oh yeah. Wow, y'all, that was it right there. It's on there too. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching, y'all. That was an easy fix, y'all. Y'all know what to do. Put all this stuff back and be riding up. We do that though, y'all. Question. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Alright, Banks 101, we back live YouTube. Alright, y'all, let's see if we get it started up after the codes disappeared for that. Okay, y'all, let's see how long it runs. See how long it runs. Hey. Okay, well, it's still cut out, but we got them changed. Hold on.